Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wistia for video hosting and editing tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.wistia.com and press enter. Wait for the Wistia homepage to load. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. After a few moments, you will be logged into your Wistia account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To upload a video, find the Upload button, typically located at the top of the dashboard. Click on the Upload button to start the video upload process. Select the video file from your device that you wish to upload. Wait for the upload to complete. You will see a progress indicator. Once the video is uploaded, it will appear in your project section. To edit your video, select the video thumbnail from your projects list. This will bring you to the video editing interface. Explore the editing tools available on the side panel. Make any necessary adjustments, such as trimming or adding captions. When satisfied with your edits, locate the Save button. Click Save to ensure all changes are stored. To view your edited video, click the Play button within the editing interface. This concludes your login and video editing process on Wistia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.